have the Ipsy original, or what was known as the Ipsy Glam Bag. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe, like, comment, share, hype this video up. It really helps my channel. I do have social media down below, but let's get into this little bag. This is silver and then it has blue on the top. It's not as cute as a lot of their other bags, so this one was like, eh. And then for January, it says the year of yes, very like their other boxes. Very like, did I just say that? Very much like their other boxes. So let's go ahead and get into what's in here. First, we have the Real Her Pure Resolve highlighter, and I want to say I have one of these already, but let's see what shade this is in. And this is a deluxe sample, and the full size is worth $21, but I actually like this type of size for a highlighter just because you can never go through a highlighter. So let me see. I want to say I have another one. Let me look through. Oh god. Oh no, this is Seraphine. This is very similar. Are they made in the same? Like, look at this. They literally have the same pattern on them. But this one from Seraphine is more like a light color. Let's see what this one swatches like. This one is called Pure Resolve and is a champagne. Yeah, this one's way more shinier and more highlightery. This one's very, very beautiful. I think I might declutter this one and just keep this one. This one is Seraphine and this is Real Her, but I feel like this one is more like in your face type of really smooth to the feel, while the other one feels a little bit more dry. So this is really, really beautiful. Gorgeous highlight. Let me just apply a little bit here with my fingers. This is gorgeous, and I like how soft the formula is. Really, really nice formula. Next thing in here is from Retro Vision. It says Tiger Love. It is a Reset Clarity Pink Clay Mask. And this is another travel size and it is worth $18. I usually steer away from Kalinin clay because that's more for people with like oily skin. So this is something that I'm going to be giving away to somebody who has more oily or acne prone skin, because this is just going to dry out my skin even more. And basically what it says on here is that the pink kaolin clay, damn it, helps to absorb excess oil and draw out impurities, and lactic acid smooths rough texture. So definitely not for my skin type. Next we have my pick for the month, which was this e.l.f. Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen. And I got the shade Bust the Mauve, which seems like my type of shade. It looks dark on the bottom here, but we'll see when it comes. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and swatch this and see what it looks like. So it's a pretty brown. It's more deeper, but it's not too deep where it's, you know, like very fallish. This is a really nice, like deeper nude. It kind of reminds me of like a 90s nude. So this is pretty. It's supposed to do like a plumper, a gloss, and a balm all in one. And this is full size and is $9. It kind of reminds me of the Tarte ones that are like glossy like that. We shall see how it feels as far as the plumping goes. Then we have next the Fresh Phase Primer, and I don't know. Oh, okay. This is like a plastic on top. I was like, what the hell is wrong with mine? It looks funky. But this is a weightless aloe vera infused primer. It helps blur pores and boost your makeup staying powder for smoother, more refreshed skin. So this is another deluxe sample. The full size is $25, and this is from Ace Beauté. I actually really like a lot of their products, and so we'll see what this looks like. Okay, so it looks almost like a moisturizer, but it does have kind of like that kind of silicone type of feel. So it's kind of like a moisturizer, but then also has that silicone type of feel, which helps give that smoothing appearance to the skin. And then the last thing in here is, it says Earth Harbor Naturals Glazing Milk. So the full size is $22, and this little baby here has oak ceramides, golden herb, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of the Road Milk, and I'm hoping it's very similar. This looks like a good alternative to it. It says it helps calm, revive, and plump, and then gives like a glow to your skin and help against dry skin. So this is definitely for me. So out of this bag, I feel like everything was a win except for this. This definitely does not go with my skin type. This is a mask made for those with oily skin. It even says it on here. It says that it's good for those with excess oils. So definitely this was my only fail, but I can't be mad. I feel like 4 out of 5 products is a good win for me. Anytime at least I like 4 of the products or want to keep any of the products, to me is a win. So that is it for my bag this month. I was a little late posting this, but thank you if you guys watched anyway. Thank you guys so much for those who watch, support my channel. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.